lovely. So you can see I got some secret recipe. Right here I have a lemon. You can use lime also. So I'm already wash it off. What I'm going to do, okay, is simple. Cut into half like this. All right. We're going to get the lemon juice. Just like this. And just like this. All right. Put the lemon juice aside. All right, guys, you need to put that one side. And what you want to do, get the lemon and slice it up like this. All right. Cut it up like you're cutting up your vegetables or your meat. All right. As I mentioned over and over, right here, this is the benefit right here. We're going to show you how to make this beautiful weight loss recipe for you to make at home. So stay right there, don't go anywhere. I'm going to take this up. All right. We're going to get our secret cooker. Lovely. And put that right there. As you guys can see exactly what we are doing. All right, because if you don't see, you're not gonna learn. So you have to see what I've been doing. All right, yeah, excellent. So I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful recipe today at home. If you're interested, it's up to you. You know what I mean? We've been doing a lot of weight loss because it's this time of year, you know, people are interested in weight loss. You know what I mean? People want to lose, Jen, pick up yourself. People want to lose weight, not put on weight in my time of year. It is coming up to summer and people like to lose weight because they like to go into the park, run up and down, make everyone can see them. And that's so you go this time of year if you don't know what's going on. I keep it up to date. All right, let's put a little bit more extra light. All right, lovely. A good vibes. So, yeah. All right. So, medium sized pot. Heater on. Alright, and I'm going to go through it and show you what I'm going to do. So we're going to get hot water. I'm starting off with the hot water. A little bit more. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. That's looking fantastic and amazing. Alright. So don't go anywhere. Just sit back and enjoy the flight. If you have somewhere to go, you're going to miss it. All right. All right. So let's get our secret. All right. We're going to get 1 cinnamon stick into the water. All right. If you like to, you can use cinnamon powder option. Just to show you, roughly about a pinch of cinnamon powder inside of it. All right. Secondly, we're going to be using the lemon peel right here. All right, into the water. like that. All right. Then what we're going to do next is give you another tips what you can also use at home. All right. Now you can also use lemon if you like to inside of it. All right. Yeah, lemon if you like to. It's option with the lemon or the lime, whatever you like to use. Now we're going to get our secret. All right. So you might wonder, what is the secret? We're going to be using good organic coffee. That's what you want to use. All right. Good organic coffee. All right. So we're going to go into it with a tablespoon of coffee, because this is a good organic coffee. All right. So we're going to take that to a boil right there, as you can see. All right, so we're gonna wait for it to boil, and as you guys can see, that looks delicious. Right. Tablespoon of coffee in a large cups with a cinnamon stick, cinnamon powder, lemon, and lime. Now that to cook, boil up for about 6 more minutes. But 100%, I know you guys will enjoy this one. All right, yeah. Just to remind you, I'm using the good organic coffee, not the one you just go into the supermarket and just buy and go on. We're using good organic coffee. We got James, we got Craig, we got Esther Delicious. Big up on yourself every time. All right. Yeah, so if you want good organic coffee, do you put sugar in it? No, no care, no sugar. Red flag for sugar. All right. So cinnamon, this is lemon, or you can use lime, and cinnamon powder and coffee. No sugar. That's the way it look. Fantastic and amazing. All right. Yeah. So Jen says she want to lose some weight. Here it is, Jen, because you've been asking for that recipe for a very long time. Oh yeah. I am going to make it tonight. Okay, okay. That means you got all of the ingredients then. Good vibes. So we come into a boil. All right. So here it is boiling. Turn off the cooker. All right, and remove it from the heat. All right. Remember to get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. All right, guys. Yeah. So we take it off the heat. Turn off the cooker. Right. Yeah. That is fantastic and an amazing. So this is how it look right here. All right. Yeah. If you want to lose some weight, here it is. Simple little recipe you guys can make at home. It doesn't complicated. Look at that. 100%. All right. The best time to drink this in the morning at an empty stomach. That's the best time to drink these things in the morning. That means you don't get to eat those kind of junk food during the day and that kind of, you know what I mean? But at the same time, remember you need to eat a little bit healthy because it is important for you to eat healthy also. You can't want to lose weight and do the same old thing during the week. All right? Yeah. You have to come from whole to new. All right? So, yeah, my advice is for you, eat a little bit healthier and cut out some of those things what you've been doing. All right, so you can see we have the cup right there. Cup is ready to go. Yeah, good vibes, people. So we're going to pour it off, and I think I got some organic honey. Where it is? Because some people may not be able to drink it certain kind of way, so you might want to put a little bit of organic honey in it. All right, yeah. Get the honey ready. Excellent. All right. Lovely. So we got everything up and running and we're ready to pour off. All right, so coffee. All right, we got the coffee, lemon, cinnamon, and lime. All right, cinnamon powder. Pour it out in our Chef Ricardo. All right, we're going to get a good teaspoon of organic honey. All right, yeah. Powerful drink, guys. All right, and this is the honey which I've been using. Very powerful and very good. All right, drink that first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, and also, yeah, that's the best time to drink it, in the morning. Enjoy the recipe. You know it go already. I'm always giving you the best recipe in the world. All right, so if you are looking for a powerful weight loss recipe,